Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. In this session, we will discuss conditions for two straight lines to be parallel, coincident or intersecting. And we also discuss algebraic method of solving pairs of linear equations. Divided from the ratios of coefficients and constants. Let us illustrate the Let us consider two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now ratio of coefficients and constants a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Conditions compare the ratios, graphical representation and algebraic interpretation. What will be the pair of lines? This is a1 x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Compare the ratios. In first case, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the lines are intersecting. algebraic interpretation, exactly one unique solution. Second case may be A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then coincident lines. Two lines are coincident. When two lines are coincident, infinitely many solutions will be available. In third case, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not is equal to C1 by C2. In that case, parallel lines. When two lines are parallel, there will be no solution. Now, algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations. First method is substitution method. Suppose two equations 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x minus 2y is equal to 3. If these two equations is there, we will apply substitution method. Substitution method means we will find out one value of variables x from 2, x is equal to 3 plus 2y. Now we will apply this value of x to the other equations. So putting means substituting. Seven into 3 plus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2, or 21 plus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2, or (21 minus y is equal to 2), or y is equal to 21 minus 2 is equal to 19. Now putting y is equal to 19 in equation 2, we get x is equal to 3 plus 2y is equal to 3 plus 2 into 19 is equal to 3 plus 38 is equal to 41. So solving this equation in substitution method, we got x is equal to 41, y is equal to 19. Elimination method. Again, equations are 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, x minus 2y is equal to 3. Here 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. 7x multiply both sides by 7 minus 14y is equal to 21. This is 2 into 7. It will be cancelled. Minus y is equal to minus 19. We cancel. Then y is equal to 19. Putting the value of y is equal to 19 in equation 2, x is equal to 3 plus 2y is equal to 3 plus 2 into 19 is equal to 41. Therefore again we got x is equal to 41 and y is equal to 19. The same answer as we got from substitution method. And third process is cross multiplication method. Here if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, if these are two equations, then we can write x divided by, block this as b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y is equal to y divided by, block this one, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, again 1 divided by, block this one, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So, in these two equations, in cross multiplication method, we will apply to find out x and y. X divided by B1 C2 should be written like this. That will be 7x minus 15y minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. X, block x, then B1 C2, that means minus 15 minus 3 minus B2 C1 minus 2 minus 2 is equal to y divided by block y C1 A2 minus 2 1 minus C2 A1 minus 3 7 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1 if we solve this, then x divided by plus 45 minus 4 y divided by minus 2 plus 21 1 divided by minus 14 plus 15. This will give us x divided by 41 is equal to y divided by x divided by 41 is equal to y divided by 19 is equal to 1. From here we will get x is equal to 41, y is equal to 19. The same result as we got in substitution method and elimination method. The sum is, which of the following pairs of lines has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it using cross multiplication method. These are the pairs of lines. In first case, A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 3, B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 9 is equal to 1/3. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So we can see that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Both are 1/3, but is not equal to C1 by C2 because it is 3 by 2. So we can conclude that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, which implies that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. These are parallel lines and no solution. So it implies that lines are parallel and no solution. Now number 2. Two x plus y is minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. From here, A1 by A2 is equal to 2/3. B1 by B2 is equal to half. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 8 is equal to 5 by 8. So here we can see that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 and also is not equal to C1 by C2. Then again, this condition may occur. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Then the lines are intersecting lines and exactly one unique solution is there. So it implies that one unique solution is there. So 3. X minus 5y minus 20 6x minus 10y minus 40. Here also A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to half. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 5 by 10 minus 10 is equal to half. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 20 by minus 40 is equal to half. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. When A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, the lines are coincident and infinitely many solutions are there. So we can write here infinitely many solutions. Now the third part is, in case there is a unique solution, find it using cross multiplicity method. Here in case 2 we have got unique solution because the lines are intersecting and unique solution was there. So this case 2, the equations of case 2 will take for cross multiplication. Equations are 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Forward is, we can write x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b1 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Therefore, x by b1 c2 1 minus 8 minus b2 c1 2 minus 5 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus 5 3 minus c2 a1 minus 8 2 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 2 to 2 minus a2 b1 3 into 1 or x by minus 8 plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 or x by 2 y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. That means x is equal to 2, x by 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is the answer. A fraction becomes 1/3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1/4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Solution will be, let the fraction be x by y. By the problem, a fraction becomes 1/3 when 1 is subtracted from its numerator. So x minus 1 by y is equal to 1/3. And also, and it becomes 1/4 when 8 is added to its denominator. X divided by y plus 8 is equal to 1/4. Or 3x minus 3 is equal to y, or 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is one equation. Four x is equal to y plus 8, or 4x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. By solving this equation number 2, we will find out, we will get the value of x and y. We can write here directly 4x minus x, this will be cancelled, plus 5 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 5. Putting x is equal to 5 in any equation, x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5, that means 3 into 5 minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 15 minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 12. Therefore, the required fraction is x by y, that means that is 5 by 12. This is the answer.